Okay, continue wave optics and topic of diffraction and the single slit diffraction. Continue. We already discussed the maxima minima, but find out the maxima and minima. है ना? We calculate find out the intensity of this single slit I equal to I naught sin p upon theta whole square p equal to pi a sin theta upon lambda. And then the condition of maxima, the intensity differentiation equal to 0, intensity di upon dp equal to 0. Then differentiate this equation di upon dp I naught sin p ka whole square equal to 0. Then I naught constant to sin p upon p and numerator denominator apply the differentiation. तो p cos theta minus sin p upon p का होल स्क्वायर होता है डिनोमिनेटर इंटू न्यूमरेटर का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस differentiation of say denominator and numerator equal to 0. So this step or 0 or this 0. We are consider the cos p cos p minus sin p upon p square equal to 0. Okay. So we find out the p equal to 10 condition of maxima. We consider the y equal to 10p and y equal to p. Plot the graph by p and y equal to p straight line, y equal to 10p is this graph. Okay. So p equal to 0 and then 10p equal to 0. The condition of center maxima and near the p pi by 2 3 pi by 2 means p tends to infinity, mention p equal to pi by 2 tends 10p equal to infinity, pi 3 by 2 equal to 10p infinity, similar to 5 by 2 7 pi by 2 and 10 to infinity. The central maxima at the p equal to 0 and subsidiary maxima corresponding to the other value of p. Okay, we consider the maxima in point of center maxima 10p because of sin p equal to this condition. Okay, p equal to p tends to 0, then sin p upon p equal to 1. 1 means maximum, the condition of center maxima. Then other values of the consider the both graph or coincide, है ना? This point is near to 3 pi by 2. This point near to 3 pi by 2 similar to 7 pi by 2, the condition of subsidiary maxima. Okay. So first find out the p equal to 0 central maxima. We put the value of pi value p equal to pi a sin theta upon lambda equal to 0 means theta equal to 0 and then intensity at the central maxima I equal to I naught. Okay, we have mentioned here this graph I equal to I naught, p equal to 0. Next, subsidiary maxima, the value of 3 pi by 2, 4 pi, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, so p equal to 2m plus 1 lambda. I to put the value of m 1, so 2 plus 1 equal to 3 pi by 2, put the value of 2, so 2 to 4 plus 1 5 pi by 2 similar to, but not m not equal to 0. Because of m not equal to 0, the condition of central maxima, but we are discussing the subsidiary maxima. The okay, the condition is put the value of pi, left hand side pi a sin theta equal to upon lambda equal to 2 m1 plus 1 by 2 into pi. Pi से pi cancel, a sin theta upon lambda equal to 2m plus 1 by 2, तो sin theta equal to 2m plus 1 lambda by 2, where m 1 2 3 4 5 is the condition of subsidiary maxima. Okay, so we questions the basic difference between the interference and diffraction. And the interference are वो maximum intensity is constant, है ना? First maxima, second maxima, third maxima, maximum intensity and minimum intensity is constant. Maximum intensity totally maximum and minimum intensity totally dark. But diffraction pattern, the maximum intensity is decreases. Okay, so we found out the first subsidiary maximum means p equal to 3 by 2. Now put the value of this formula I equal to I naught sin p upon p to put the value of p to find out ultimately pi naught upon 22. Secondary maxima p equal to 5 by 2 to put the value of I naught upon 62 means intensity decreases for the maximum intensity. I not maximum, first maximum by not by 22. I will to the means decreasing form of the intensity in diffraction pattern. Okay. Okay. Second, the condition of minima. Minima equal to sin p. This value is maximum. This condition of maximum. This value is minimum because of this value of minimum. Sin p upon p is 0. The condition of minima. So p equal to plus minus pi by pi, 2 pi, 3 pi dash dash dash. P not equal to 0. Equal to p not p equal to 0 is the central maxima. So p tends to 0, tends sin p upon p equal to 1, the condition of maximum. So p not equal to 0, the condition of minimum, but p equal to plus minus pi, 2 pi, 3 pi means n m pi. So p equal to m pi, to put the value of p equal to pi a sin theta upon lambda equal to m pi, into n pi cancel, to a sin theta equal to n lambda, the condition of minimum. So plot the graph. Okay, the y-axis is the I intensity and the sin theta. So lambda, okay, m equal to 1, so lambda is minimum, m equal to where m equal to 1, 2, 3. Put the 2 lambda is minima, 3 lambda is minima. Okay, and maxima, p equal to 0 is central maxima. Here is 3 pi by 2, है ना? या 3 lambda by 2 is called the first maxima. 5 lambda by 2 is the second maxima. Okay. कितने मिनट का हो गया? Okay. Next topic is double slit diffraction, but not in our syllabus, but required because before the grating N slit. Okay. So these generally they design construct the two slits, slit AB, center of O1, CD, second slit CD, the center of O2, length L1, L2, and source pass the ray. Okay, length N1, then parallel, and if not diffract the ray, find out the point this, but diffract at angle theta. Okay, then meet in point P in screen. And find out the value of maxima and minima. So ultimately not this proof in here, but direct use the formula I equal to, I equal to I naught sin p upon p का whole square into cos square 5 by 2 is total intensity. Basically most important, similar to grating में use होगा I naught sin p upon p का whole square sin 5 square upon 5 by 2. But where this step already mentioned here, diffraction, because of diffraction, this is total, and this step is interference, because of interference we are discussing graph. Okay, so both are mixing in double slit, but single slit is totally diffraction, but starting to double slit and three slit and slit is both are step, diffraction step and interference. Okay, so firstly discussion according to diffraction, the maxima, secondary maxima, a sin theta equal to plus minus 2m1 plus lambda by 2, minima a sin theta equal to plus minus n lambda by 2, where m equal to 1, 2, 3, that's minima m not equal to 0. And similarly for this step complete, but interference pattern already discussed in previous lectures. So maxima is e sin theta equal to plus minus n lambda, different cases, and e sin theta equal to plus minus n plus 1 lambda by 1 by 2 into lambda. Okay, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The conditions for maxima, minima in both case, diffraction and interference. Because of this step is a diffraction and this is a interference. So we plot different graphs. Basically using a missing spectra. Okay, grating में हम इसका use करेंगे किसके form में, missing spectra to find out the very complicated, but the first graph is a this step. Follow the diffraction pattern. So 0, pi, 2 pi similarly, and y-axis is sin p upon p का whole square means intensity. Okay, and x-axis is a p. So find out the value according to pi, 2 pi, 3 pi is minima. Okay, and 3 pi by 2, 5 by 2 is the maxima already. So in this diagram, and secondary for second step, the diffraction pattern, 0, pi, 2 pi. So diffraction is according to n lambda is a condition of maxima. So n1 to pi is maxima. 2 already form of lambda, but mention here already. So pi, 2 pi, 3 pi is condition of maxima. Similarly, minus pi, minus 2 pi is condition of maximum, and between this both consecutive points is the minimum. Okay, but we are discussing common I equal to I naught sin p upon p square cos square pi by 2 is both step are including. So we combine in the both graph, first and second. So we are seen in this third graph the combined area. Okay, first and second combined area is pattern is so, but we are discussed this is a maximum. Okay, this covering is a diffraction and inside the interference. So missing spectra find out to piece n equal to 3 is a missing. Okay, both side this but they are not here is because of the boundary is touches 0, and so please find missing spectra condition I find out we are discuss. It is a this point is the condition of maximum in case of interference. So interference में maximum condition E sin theta equal to plus minus n lambda. Okay, and but this condition according to diffraction is minima. So apply the formula of diffraction का minima E sin theta equal to plus minus m lambda. So equation 1 divided by equation 2, so E upon A equal to n upon A m, because of E is the element of grating, element of slits. So we are already we will discuss in grating topic. So E upon A n lambda, so where E equal to A plus B. A means this area and B means is dark area. So if B equal to 2A, then E equal to A plus 2A equal to 3A. So put the value of E, 3A upon A, n upon m. So find out A से cancel. So n equal to n order. Okay, which order है ना? So 3m, n equal to 3. According to this discussion, 3m means m equal to 1, 3, m equal to 2, 6, m equal to 3, 9. So consecutive 3, 6, 9 maxima are absent is missing spectra. It's called the missing spectra. Okay, thank you.